Ciao Dario.
Ciao.
What are you making?
I'm making very traditional and classic and
Just say it.
real Italian pakora. Yeah? Italian pakora.
That's a bad joke.
So for the authentic Italian pakora, the recipe says that first we have to cut whatever we need to put in the mixture. So I'm cutting potatoes and then I will cut some onions. We could add some cucumber.
Cucumber in pakora.
Yeah.
There's no cucumber in pakora. Who put cucumber in pakora?
The Indian lady with the British accent, she said that.
On the YouTube you saw. It wasn't cucumber. It was aubergine. It was eggplant.
I still
Just learn your vegetables. I know you don't eat any, but at least remember the names, Dario. Wait, you cut the potatoes like this?
Again, the Indian lady with the British accent, she did like that. It's authentic.
I think it's better if you cut them longer.
I think it's better you mind your own business.
Okay, I'm going
Yeah, eat this thing. I don't know what's that.
eating my sandwich. I'll see you later. So Dario, what happened to your potatoes?
They got cut in the wrong way.
Yeah,
Oh, I will make.
a mess.
I will just chop a bit.
A tablespoon of grated ginger.
There was just a little misunderstanding between me and the lady here. We are going to add some chili. Like this.
Wash your hands afterwards. Don't touch your chili hands on other stuff.
We need turmeric,
Turmeric in Hindi? Haldi.
haldi,
Haldi. Yeah.
1 teaspoon. Then we have to add garam masala.
Which one is garam masala?
This.
This one is garam masala.
I got it. It's a very nice spice made by 9 spices. Some chili and then some cumin seeds
Instead of cumin, I add ajwain.
and then finally fenugreek. I have no idea what's that.
Kasuri methi. Say it.
Fenugreek.
Kasuri methi.
Kasuri methi.
Smells good, no?
Very good. Such a chef I am. Now we are going to add some gram flour.
And what is it called in Hindi?
Chickpea flour.
In Hindi, it's written there.
Rajdhani.
That's the brand.
Besan. So we start mixing now.
I don't know, I find it very weird that you're putting your whole hand down. For me, it's just my fingers that I use for
Hey,
these things.
the lady was putting all the hand.
I mean, ladies are more important or my instructions are more important?
You never cooked? It's talking to me. It's saying, oh yes, more. It's a royal dish. King Carlo will lick his mustache with this.
He doesn't have a mustache. He's not your car driver, Carlo.
It's a figure of speech. When you want to say that something is delicious, you say that you lick your mustache. Leccare I baffi.
At least not in Hindi. We don't say that.
Yeah, a lot of Indians have a mustache. They should know that.
It's expired. I have it for so many years. But it's fine, no? There are no germs in there. It's fine.
We can put some eggs.
No, we cannot put eggs there. It's vegetarian.
The lady was saying pakore.
Because she was saying the plural. It's pakora, which means one, and pakore means plural. Look at this ke bacche. You have to clean also at the time when you are cooking.
Hey, you are the assistant. Assistant, go.
I'm not an assistant here. If you're cooking, you have to clean at the same time.
Okay, we can start putting the second one.
Small.
Small one.
Yeah.
Take the mozzarella from the fridge and cut 4 pieces, please. We'll make a fusion.
I don't think so it will go. I'm not putting mozzarella there.
Chop the mozzarella.
Okay, I'm leaving. Bye. All these pakoras, they are uncooked inside. Because I told you to make smaller balls and you kept on making bigger ones because you want to reduce your amount of work, and now everything had to be double fried.
Look at this beauty. My homemade pakora. And this is pesto. So we'll have a pakora with pesto.
That's my mint chutney.
Sophie, I think I'm going to ruin your childhood memories because this is the best pakora you ever ate.
So when my mom cooks pakora at home, she never cut potatoes in small pieces. She just cuts it like circular and thin.
Let's try. Okay, no, not but it's good. It's very good.
Yeah, it's double fried, that's why.
Told you. Oh, that's nice.
I really like it.
Yeah,
You're turning red.
it's spicy. But it's very, how to say, tasteful, tasty. It's very spicy though. Spicy, but tasty.
So honestly, I think it came quite nice, and I will rate it 10 out of 10.
No, is it?
So basically now you know how to make paneer, you know how to make roti, you know how to make chai, and you know how to make pakora.
I can serve a full meal.
Yes, but
Full dinner.
only the dessert is left. So you have to now try to make halwa next.
Hello?